Okay, so now we've actually got a different type of hoop that we've been using, and this is what we use for anything that's heavy, hard to get the frame into. So you'll use it on jackets, trousers, pants, and that type of thing. Now, there's some things that we need to make sure that these are very, very strong magnets. Okay, so we have to make sure that we actually are careful with them, because otherwise we can actually clamp our fingers, do the pinch test as well. If you have a pacemaker, you're not allowed to be around this hoop either. So it will send your pacemaker into a spin. So when we're actually using these, once we finish using them, we just put them back together as such. Okay, so then when we need them, we can just grab them, pick them up, and as you can see, they go together very, very, very fast. So just be aware of your fingers and the pinch test, which we are going to frame using the magnetic hoops. So we actually are going to grab the bottom ring, which is going to go inside the garment. So we place it inside the garment, and we actually put a piece of tearaway backing in on top of that as well, and that just saves us having to put another piece of backing in later. Nice and straight, and then we're actually going to put the top part of the magnetic hoop, and we actually line up the inner lines, these lines here, with the top of our pocket. And as you can see, it can be moved fairly easily. If you don't have it in quite the right spot, you can just sort of move it around. But as you can see, this line and this line is now nice and level with the top of the pocket. Okay, as you can see, the backing hasn't been caught all the way through, but in this particular instance, it doesn't matter because it's actually a magnetic hoop. So it has actually got a very good bond anyway with the backing that it has caught. And if we actually did catch it, we're doing a lot of wasting as well. So that is okay for not to have caught all the backing. Jeans. And so jeans have actually always got a lot of things happening on the right-hand side. So even if the job tells you to embroider the logo on the right-hand side, it's just an automatic thing that we just actually do all jeans on the left-hand side. So we're going to actually frame up this pair of jeans now on the left-hand side, also using our magnetics. So naturally, again, we're going to put the inner ring, and as you can see, the blue part goes where the garment is, underneath where the garment. We're going to put a piece of backing in as well, and then we're going to grab our top part of our frame, and we are going to line up our top of our thing with our waistband, and it'll just sort of clip in. And as you can see, it's amazing how much it holds. And now we could actually run this pair of jeans also with that other pair of pants, and it'll embroidery will sit in here. What the embroidery finishing of the jeans would look like. So as you can see, it's sitting there nice and neatly on the other side of the pair of pants. And then this is our pair of pants that we prepared earlier as well. And as you can see, it's beautiful sitting above the pocket.